Good morning, class 7th. I hope you all are good at home. So please be safe and stay at home. Don't go outside. And one more thing is today we will start a new topic, which is adjectives. So before that, first of all, open your textbook and open page number 46. I have written here on the board. So page number 46. And please take a pencil in your hand. Okay. So first one, so you can do the exercise with that pencil. So now we will move on. What are adjectives? You know what are adjectives? Adjectives are describing words. आप काफी दिनों से पढ़ रहे हो कि adjectives क्या हैं और किस तरीके से एक सेंटेंस में यूज होते हैं और क्या इसका यूज होता है. Alright. So what are adjectives? Adjectives are describing words. What? Adjectives are describing words जो noun और pronoun को describe करते हैं और ज़्यादा उसके बारे में बताते हैं. तो that kind of words are called adjectives, and they tell us more about the quality. What they tell us more about the quality? Its quantity. What it's in this sentence? It is a noun or pronoun. So what they tells us? They tells us the quality of a noun or pronoun. They tells us the quantity of a noun or pronoun. They tells us the number of the noun or pronoun. They tells us the possessiveness of the noun or pronoun, and they tells us the demonstrative. Okay, how to demonstrate demonstrative adjectives also. All right. So what are adjectives? So this is the question we have, that what are adjectives? So adjectives are describing words that tell us more about nouns or pronouns. Adjectives are describing words that tell us more about noun or pronouns. Okay. So what are the examples given here is, first one is black hair. What? Black hair. Black means there is some girl or anyone. So he have black hair, she have, or he have. Okay. So black hair means hair is a noun and black is an adjective. So it is telling about the noun that they have black hair. Okay, he or she have. So in next example is girl is there, so she is beautiful. What? The beautiful girl. So beautiful is the describing word here. So it is telling about that girl which is beautiful. So it is describing the girl. Which word? Beautiful is describing that girl. That girl is beautiful. So now move on to the kinds of adjectives. Kinds of adjectives क्या हैं? सबसे पहले first one is adjective of quality. What is adjective of quality? What is adjective of quality? Adjective of quality are used to describe what? Are used to describe the kind or quality of a noun or pronoun. What they are used? Why they are used? They are used, adjective of quality are used to describe the kind or quality of a noun or pronoun. Okay. So they are used to describe the kind or quality of a noun, कि उसका kind बताता है कि वो किस तरीके का इंसान है, what type of person he is, what kind of person or thing that is. So and quality of that person, quality of that thing. Okay. So where we see the quality of that person or thing, there we will use adjective of quality. Okay. So that will be bad quality or a good quality, we can say. Okay. Now move on to the next adjective is adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. Now what is adjective of quantity? Adjective of quantity tells us about the thing there is. About the thing there is, कि जो चीज है हमारे पास, how much the thing there is, कि वो कितनी है, थोड़ी सी है, ज्यादा है, कुछ ही है, ठीक है, जहाँ पर ऐसे वर्ड्स आ जाते हैं कि हमें वी डू नॉट नो द एग्जैक्ट नंबर, जस्ट वी कैन से कि हाँ है, लिटिल बिट, little is there, few is there, and some is there. So there we can say the adjective of quantity will come. Now move on to the next adjective of number. What adjective of number? What it tells us how many the things there are. What? How many the things there are, कि हमारे पास कितनी चीजें हैं, that we can count them, we can easily count them. So it's used with a countable noun, मतलब ये countable nouns के साथ use होती हैं. So adjective of number, we know the exact number of that person or thing or anything. Okay, so we know the exact number of that noun or pronoun. So that's why we can say that adjective of number. We know the exact number, that 2 pencil he have, he got 5th rank in the class. Okay, he's sitting in the 3rd row. All right, so seven story books, like that. So these are the, we know the exact number of that noun or pronoun or thing. Okay, so noun में ही thing आते हैं, of course. So so this is the adjective of number. Now move on to the possessive adjective. Possessive adjective shows us the possession, it shows us the belongingness, it shows us the ownership of that thing or that person. Okay, like I want to give you the example that this bottle is mine, or this is my bottle. So my is what? This is my bottle. ये मेरी bottle है. So मेरी is a possessive adjective. This is my bottle. So I would say our, his, her. These all are the examples of possessive adjective. My will also come there. Will come there. So my मतलब इसमें मैंने possessiveness दिखाई, मेरा अधिकार है इस bottle पे because it's mine. Okay. So this is my bottle. So what I'm showing, bottle is a noun. Bottle is a noun, and my is showing the possessive adjective. All right. So move on to the next, demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjective. What are the demonstrative adjectives? If I say demonstrative adjective, means I can say to demonstrate something. Okay. What? I'm demonstrating something. I have to demonstrate something. It means demonstrative adjective. And how can we demonstrate the things or people? We can demonstrate like this is my duster. This is my, I'm demonstrating the thing. Okay, so that is my bottle, that is my chair. Okay, so these children, like that. So that will come in your demonstrative adjectives. So I have given some examples, this, that, these, those, there. Okay, so these are the examples of your डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव. डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव में हम यूजुअली शो करते हैं पॉइंट टू द नाउन्स दे प्रीसीड, कि नाउन को हम पॉइंट आउट करते हैं, और उसके साथ हम जब पॉइंट आउट करते हैं तो वहाँ पर हम यूज करते हैं डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव. ऑलराइट, सो now move on to the formation of adjectives. Now move on to the formation of adjectives. So this is done for us. Now we will do the formation of adjectives. Okay, so what are the formation of adjective? How could we change, how can we form the adjectives through nouns or some other words? Okay, so how could we form those adjectives? All right, now we will study about formation of adjectives. What? Formation of adjectives. Formation of adjectives. Now, what are the formation of adjectives? कि हम adjectives को form कर सकते हैं. Many adjectives can be formed through can be formed from nouns or adverbs or verbs. Okay, so many adjectives can be formed from nouns and verbs by adding suffixes. What? Many adjectives can be formed from, form and from both are different. Form from nouns, नाउन से हम फॉर्म कर सकते हैं, एंड वर्ब से भी हम फॉर्म कर सकते हैं, एंड वर्ब. ओके, many adjectives can be formed from nouns and verbs by adding suffixes. by adding suffixes. कैसे फॉर्म कर सकते हैं, उनमें कुछ तो हमें चेंजेस लाने पड़ेंगे. और व्हाट आर सफिक्सेस, मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया है कि सफिक्स क्या होते हैं. सफिक्स आर सम लेटर्स और वी कैन से द ग्रुप ऑफ लेटर्स which we add at the end of the word and it will change the meaning of the word. So what are suffixes? Suffixes are those letters which we add at the end of a word to change its meaning. All right, so that is called suffix. तो हम फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एडजेक्टिव जब करते हैं तो क्या करते हैं, उसमें कुछ सफिक्सेस ऐड कर देते हैं उस वर्ड में. जैसे कि मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगी, देयर इज वन वर्ड केयर. केयर इज वर्ड. ऑलराइट, if I'll add suffix full to it, it will become careful. Careful means it's an adjective. Okay, so careful is an adjective. So here we, care is a noun, full is suffix. I've told you na कि we have to add, by adding suffixes we can form the adjectives. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स कैसे पॉसिबल है, उनको हम फॉर्म कर सकते हैं by adding suffixes. Okay, so there are some examples given in your textbook. Formation of adjectives. So many adjectives can be formed from nouns. So I want to show you and we will do the exercise related to that. Now, as you can see, the page number 46, formation of adjectives. Formation of adjectives, many adjectives can be formed from nouns and verbs by adding suffixes. As I have told you earlier, that how could we change these adjectives, okay, these nouns to adjectives. Okay, like trouble is given, trouble के साथ हम जब suffix some ऐड करेंगे तो it will become trouble some. care के साथ हम full ऐड करेंगे, full is the suffix, so it will become careful. like that only, pain के साथ हम जब less use करेंगे तो it will become painless. dust के साथ हम जब y suffix use करेंगे तो it will become dusty. sentiment plus al, all, is the suffix, so it will change into sentimental. Like glory, glory plus ous is a suffix, so it will become glorious. And girl, girl plus ish, girlish, it will become girlish. Present plus able, it will become presentable. And enjoy plus able, it will become enjoyable. Next one is play plus full, it will become playful. Like that only, on next page, on page number 47, you can see some adjectives can be formed from other adjectives as shown below. Alright, so जो adjectives हैं वो अलग तरीके से भी फॉर्म किए जाते हैं दूसरे एडजेक्टिव से भी. ठीक है, जैसे वाइट है, वाइट ऑलरेडी एक एडजेक्टिव है और उसे हम फिर और तरीके से उसको चेंज करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, वाइट प्लस ish means it will become whitish. 3 plus fold, it will become threefold. Tragic plus it will become tragical. Correct plus ive, corrective. So all these are after plus we can say those are suffixes. if, ish, fold. So these are suffixes which we are adding for changing these words into adjectives. All right. So form adjectives from the following nouns and verbs. Now you have to do the exercise. Exercise is read. First one is read. So it will become readable. What? It will become readable. And second one is boy. It will become boyish. Third one is die. Die will become died. Okay. Noise will become noisy. And next one is comic will become comical. Comic will become comical. And outrage will become outrageous. And next one is hope will become hopeful, or you can say less, you can use hopeless. And silk will become silky or silken. All right, silky or silken. And next one is eat will become eatable. With suffix we add able. Okay, so it will become eatable. And last one is wind, so it will become windy. All right, so it will become windy. So now move on to the correct usage of adjectives of quantity and adjectives of number. There is much confusion between adjectives of quantity and adjective of number. So we will study about, let us discuss the correct usage of some confusing adjectives. Alright. So some and any. आपको पता है some and any are used with both countable and uncountable nouns. जो some और any है वो काउंटेबल के साथ भी यूज होता है और अनकाउंटेबल के साथ भी यूज होता है. जो सम इज यूज्ड इन डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस. जो सम है वो मोस्टली यूज होता है डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस में. सो व्हाट आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ दैट? सम पेशेंट्स आर वेटिंग फॉर द डॉक्टर. सो इट्स अ डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस. एंड अनदर एग्जांपल इज सम जूस इज लेफ्ट इन द जग. सो इट्स अ countable noun is used here, and here is uncountable. Juice is there, so we are using some with both. Okay, with countable noun also and with uncountable noun also. So some patients we can count them. So some patients are waiting for the doctor, and some juice is left in the jug. So some is used with both. Okay. So next one is any. Any is used in negative and interrogative sentences. What I have told is it is used in declarative sentences. All right, it is used in declarative sentences, but it is used in negative and interrogative sentences. In which sentences? Negative जो होते हैं जिसमें no not आता है वो sentences, और interrogative sentences means जिसमें हम questions raise करते हैं, questions पूछते हैं, तो उन sentences में हम any का use करते हैं. So some examples are given. There isn't any tea in the teapot. There isn't any tea in the teapot. So isn't is not any tea in the teapot. Okay. And next one is, are there any books in the bag? So question mark means it's an interrogative sentence and it's a negative sentence. So these are any is used in both the sentences, means any is used in negative and interrogative sentences. Now move on to the next. Much is used with uncountable nouns. Much is used with uncountable nouns. So much जो होता है वो mostly uncountable nouns के साथ use होता है. Uncountable nouns क्या होते हैं जिनको हम count नहीं कर सकते हैं. So there was much noise in the classroom before the teacher came. कि क्लास में क्या था, शोर हो रहा था काफी जब क्लास टीचर क्लास में आई. ठीक है, टीचर जो है क्लास में आई. तो मच नॉइज मीन्स नॉइज को हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं, इसीलिए विल यूज मच हियर. ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज मैनी इज यूज्ड विद काउंटेबल नाउन्स, और मैनी जो होता है, मच और मैनी में क्या डिफरेंस है? मच इज यूज्ड विद अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स, मैनी इज यूज्ड विद काउंटेबल नाउन्स। काउंटेबल नाउन्स मीन्स जिनको हम काउंट कर सकते हैं। लाइक मेनी टूरिस्ट विजिट द लखनऊ जू एवरी ईयर, कि बहुत सारे टूरिस्ट जो हैं वो लखनऊ विजिट करते हैं एवरी ईयर, जो लखनऊ का जू है उसमें। ओके, so this is the difference. Many is used with countable nouns and much is used with uncountable nouns. All right, so move on to the next is few. Few is used with countable nouns. जो few होता है वो countable nouns के साथ यूज होता है, जितने भी जिनको हम काउंट कर सकते हैं उसके साथ यूज होता है। few means a very negligible number. हम इसमें नहीं कह सकते उसमें कितने लोग हैं, बहुत कम भी होता है, वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा भी होता है, इसलिए आपने देखा होगा कि few होता है, कहीं a few होता है, कहीं the few होता है। ओके, so few is used with countable nouns, ये countable nouns के साथ यूज होता है। और there were few buyers for the new model of the Maruti cars, okay, Maruti car, and a few is used to indicate a small number, ये बहुत ही कम। a few क्या इंडिकेट करता है? उससे भी कम। few थोड़ा ज़्यादा इंडिकेट करता है, लेकिन a few बहुत कम इंडिकेट करता है। So a few is used to indicate a small number. Okay, so there was a few mistakes in my in what she wrote. Okay, there was a few mistakes in what she wrote. And next one is little. Little implies not much. Little implies not much, ज़्यादा नहीं. It is used with uncountable nouns. जो little use होता है few countable nouns के साथ use होता है, लेकिन little uncountable nouns के साथ use होता है. So example, add little salt. We can't count salt. So little salt to the gravy. Okay. A little implies a small quantity. वो उससे भी कम quantity, जब बहुत ही कम डालना होता है तो we use a little. Okay, जैसे few में था, लेकिन few और little में क्या डिफरेंस था? few हम uncountable के लिए यूज करते हैं और little हम countable के लिए few हम countable nouns के लिए यूज करते हैं और little हम uncountable nouns के लिए यूज करते हैं। Alright, this is the difference. So that is the difference in a few and little few. Also, कि small quantity का difference है. There was only a little milk left at the bottom of the cup. So this is the difference in your adjective of number and quantity. And next one is, last one is the little. The little indicates not much but all there is. What? It मतलब ज़्यादा नहीं है लेकिन थोड़ा सा है फिर भी. So she gulped down the little juice that was kept in the glass. Okay, now we'll do the exercise related to this. Fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives from the box. So first one is, it was great to see you after so many years. It was great to see you after so many years. And there was a few people in the park as it was very late and I do not like spicy food, so mother added just a little chili powder to the curry and the cake was ready and I decorated it with a few cherries on the top because I love cherries. The flight was late and it caused much confusion at the airport. So this is the exercise.